So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to link a US bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, go to the bottom right and press on Wallet. Once you're here under Banks and Cards, press on Add New, and then press on Banks. So if you are in Canada, which I am right now, you're going to see a lot of Canadian bank accounts showing instead of American ones. So if you want to change that, go to the top, press on search your bank name, type in whatever you want. I'll just go ahead and type in Chase and then press on enter your bank details. So if you have a US bank account that you want to link here in Canada, just scroll down to where it says link a US bank account instead. And then once you're here, you can do checkings or savings, the routing number, the account number. And then once you have that typed in, you can press on agree and link, and then proceed this way with the linking of a US bank account. So that is how to link a US bank account on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.